Have you ever thought about how worms can help your garden? Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of vermicomposting. This is the process where worms transform kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost, a true garden gold. It's not only a remarkable way to reduce household waste, but also a method to supercharge your garden, fostering vibrant plant growth. Vermicomposting is a simple and effective way to reduce waste and enrich your garden. Interested? Let's delve into the process. Vermicomposting is a process that involves the use of worms, specifically red wigglers, to break down organic materials into nutrient-rich compost. Let's dive into how it works. First, you need a compost bin. This can be a simple wooden or plastic container with holes for air circulation and drainage. Next, add your red wigglers. These little powerhouses will do most of the heavy lifting. Remember, they're not just any worms, but a specific species known for their composting prowess. Once your worms are in place, it's time to provide food. This can be fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, or eggshells. Avoid dairy, meat, and oily foods as these can create odors and attract pests. The environment is important too. Keep your bin in a place with moderate temperature and avoid direct sunlight. Finally, harvesting your compost typically occurs after 2 to 3 months. You'll know it's ready when it resembles dark, crumbly topsoil. And voila, you have your own nutrient-rich compost ready for your garden. Now that you know how vermicomposting works, why not give it a try in your own garden? It's an excellent way to reduce your waste, while also providing a natural and nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants. Plus, it improves your soil's health and structure, creating a thriving environment for your plants. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your garden flourish, all thanks to your very own vermicomposting efforts. Remember, your garden will thank you for it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!